Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning and organizing my refrigerator and freezer. As you can tell, everything is completely a mess. I recently went groceries and I kind of just shoved everything in there because I didn't have the time to clean and organize it. And I also wanted to get some acrylic or clear organizational containers so that I can put everything how I would like it to be. So we're going to hop right into this video, and we're going to start by removing everything from the refrigerator first. So after removing everything from the refrigerator, this is what it looks like. The top couple shelves aren't too bad, but once I get down to the drawers, it looks kind of nasty, so excuse the mess. But this is actual real life of things that happened to me, so we're gonna go ahead and clean that. So a lot of the things that were in the refrigerator, I'm gonna show you everything laid out on the counter. Some things are expired, some things are brand new, some things we've already had but they're still good. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clean out the refrigerator first, and then we'll put all of this stuff back. So I started out by pulling out the glass shelves and cleaning them with some dish soap and a sponge. And I did that for every shelf, and then I also did that for the drawers as well. I just feel like cleaning the refrigerator parts with dish soap makes everything so much more cleaner. I don't know if it's just me. I'd rather do that than use like a multi-purpose spray or something like that. So this works best for me. I just pulled everything out and cleaned it with this dish soap and a sponge. So after washing with dish soap, I did dry all of the parts. I did not record all of that because it's just too much. But after I dried everything, I moved on to inside of the refrigerator. I was using Totally Awesome multi-purpose concentrate from the Dollar Tree, and it's diluted with water in a spray bottle. So I just sprayed down the refrigerator, and then I started wiping and scrubbing with a microfiber towel. And it's not the same microfiber towel that I was using to dry. I do have two different blue ones, so don't mind that, but just trust me. After wiping down the inside of the refrigerator, I am going ahead and putting the glass shelves back and the drawers as well. And after that, I'm just going to start putting some of the things back into the refrigerator because I don't want anything to spoil. So here I am trying to figure out the organizational bins, how I want them to be, and I'll show you quickly here what it looks like without anything in it, and then we're going to proceed and put all the food back before it spoils. So yes, we do have a lot of cheese items. It's kind of crazy because previously we were on the keto diet and we would have a lot of cheese and that kind of substitute for the carbs. So we had a lot of cheese, and yeah, so that's why it's in that big container. But yeah, the next one has just lunch meat and bacon in there. The next one has some ranch, parmesan, sour cream, just regular things that kind of look the same shapes. And then the next one here, I have some pizza sauce, jelly, grape jelly, some barbecue sauce. So just random stuff that I need to put in a container. Now here I'm going through all of our drinks and looking to see which ones are expired and which ones are still good, and I am putting them in the refrigerator as I go. And the next thing I did here was cut up and prep my strawberries. So I just cut the stem off and cut them in half and put them into this produce saver container that I found as well. Also, all of the containers are from the Container Store. It was a little bit pricey, so I would look on Amazon as well if you don't think that that's good enough for you. So, but yeah, I did go to the Container Store to get mine. So I'm just rinsing my strawberries, and then I did have some grapes as well that I already washed and into some containers already, but I'm just switching it over to the produce saver one. And then I'm going to clean my yellow mangoes. If you've never tried yellow mangoes, you have to try them. They are so good. I think they're better than regular mangoes. So yeah, but I put some limes in there as well. And then in the bottom drawer, I'm putting avocado, carrots, and limes. And then after that, I'm moving on to the door. So I'm going to take everything out and clean that part as well. So this is what the refrigerator is looking like after cleaning and organizing the refrigerator. Everything looks so much better and organized. I am so in love because that before was not looking good at all. But yes, I'm showing you inside of the drawers here all of my fruits. And then I'm going to show you the bottom drawer as well. And then we will move on to the freezer. So now on the freezer, I am doing the same thing. I am removing everything from the freezer, and I am honestly trying to work as fast as I can because I didn't want any of my frozen foods to melt or spoil. So I'm again using the same cleaner, the Totally Awesome diluted with water, and I am wiping down everything instead of taking out everything and washing it with dish soap. That's what I like to do for the freezer, just because it doesn't get as dirty, and I just feel like cleaning with a multi-purpose cleaner in the freezer works better for the freezer because everything won't be thawed and not frozen anymore. So yeah, that's just my logic. So after putting everything back into the freezer, everything was nicely cleaned and organized. And yes, we have a lot of ice cream. Most of those little tubs of ice cream were keto friendly ice cream, so they do have that if you didn't know. So go ahead and look it up. They are pretty good as well. But yes, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much as I did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a like if you like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
What do spirits say in a darker day? What do spirits say?